set, go! We got Evan out in front. We got Troy and Daryl. Crystal for third. All right, Evan, Troy, and Chris, and Daryl in the fourth position. All right, how fast do you think these mowers are going? Any guesses? All right, watch them. Anything can happen racing. Troy's trying to get past Evan. Chris is trying to get past Troy. This is pretty tight racing. Anything can happen. We got 6 laps. 6 laps. All right, Evan's still out in front. Troy not far behind. I think Troy just hit the nitrous button. All right, let's see here. Last lap. Dash for that checkered flag. Who's gonna get it? All right, cross the line. Evan Newgraham, Troy Newgraham, and Chris Volker. And in the fourth position, Daryl Hart from Grand Forks. Congratulations, Evan. Evan Newgraham from Castlegar. If you are interested in racing, come talk to this guy. He can help you. Evan Newgraham, Castlegar. Congratulations, Evan.